When it comes to houseplants, many people focus on watering schedules, sunlight exposure, and humidity levels. However, one of the most overlooked yet crucial factors in plant care is the soil. The right soil can make the difference between a thriving, lush indoor jungle and a collection of struggling, yellowing plants. Understanding soil composition, drainage, nutrient retention, and common soil mistakes can help any plant parent create the perfect environment for their leafy companions. Not all soil is created equal. One of the biggest mistakes beginner plant owners make is using regular garden soil for houseplants. Unlike outdoor plants, which benefit from natural microbial activity, rainfall, and fluctuating conditions, houseplants are confined to pots with limited airflow and drainage. Because of this, they require a specialized potting mix that provides the perfect balance of moisture retention and aeration. A high-quality potting mix should include a combination of materials that promote drainage and structure. Peat moss or coco coir serves as the base, helping to retain moisture without becoming waterlogged. To improve aeration, materials like perlite or pumice should be incorporated, as they prevent compaction and allow oxygen to reach the roots. Some mixes also contain orchid bark or pine bark, which add structure and prevent the soil from breaking down too quickly. Choosing the right mix for specific plant needs, such as a well-draining blend for succulents or a moisture-retentive one for ferns, ensures that houseplants receive the ideal growing conditions. The drainage myth: why rocks don't help. A common misconception among plant owners is that adding rocks or pebbles to the bottom of a pot improves drainage. In reality, this practice can be harmful rather than beneficial. Rather than allowing excess water to escape, the presence of rocks creates a perched water table where moisture collects just above the rock layer. This can lead to root rot, one of the most common causes of houseplant death. A more effective solution is to use a well-draining soil mix in a pot with drainage holes. If a decorative pot lacks drainage, a simple trick is to keep the plant in a plastic nursery pot and place it inside the decorative container. This allows for easy removal when watering, preventing excess moisture from becoming trapped at the bottom. Additionally, incorporating materials like perlite, sand, or orchid bark into the soil can further enhance drainage and prevent water from pooling around the roots. Soil doesn't last forever. Many plant owners assume that once a plant is potted, it can remain in the same soil indefinitely. However, soil breaks down over time, losing essential nutrients and becoming compacted. This can result in poor drainage, reduced aeration, and difficulty for roots to expand. As a general rule, most houseplants should be repotted every 1-2 years to refresh their soil and provide new nutrients. In addition to repotting, plant owners can replenish soil nutrients by top dressing with organic matter, such as worm castings or compost. These natural fertilizers improve soil quality, promoting healthy microbial activity and providing a slow release of nutrients. Keeping an eye out for compacted, moldy, or overly dry soil is a good indicator that it's time for a refresh. DIY soil boosters for healthier plants. For those looking to take their plant care to the next level, incorporating DIY soil amendments can significantly improve plant health. One of the best natural fertilizers is worm castings, which are rich in nutrients and beneficial microbes. A small handful mixed into the soil can provide a steady supply of essential minerals. Another excellent addition is activated charcoal, which helps prevent mold, bacteria buildup, and odors in potted plants. This is especially useful for plants that thrive in humid environments, such as ferns and calatheas. Additionally, cinnamon powder can be sprinkled on top of the soil as a natural antifungal, protecting plants from common fungal infections and soil-borne pests. The biggest soil mistake: overwatering and poor drainage. Perhaps the most frequent mistake plant owners make is overwatering, which often stems from poor soil drainage. When soil remains wet for too long, roots become deprived of oxygen, leading to root rot and eventual plant decline. A simple way to determine whether a plant needs water is the finger test, inserting a finger about 2 inches into the soil. If the soil feels dry, it's time to water. If it still feels damp, waiting a few more days is best. For a more precise approach, Plant owners can invest in a moisture meter, a tool that provides an accurate reading of soil moisture levels. Additionally, selecting a chunkier soil mix for tropical plants like monsteras and philodendrons can help prevent water from lingering too long around the roots. Final thoughts. Creating the perfect soil environment is one of the most powerful ways to ensure houseplants thrive. By choosing the right potting mix, avoiding the drainage myth, repotting regularly, and incorporating soil boosters, plant owners can create an ideal foundation for strong, healthy growth. Understanding these soil secrets can transform plant care from a guessing game into a science, making houseplants happier and more resilient in the long run.